What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So we've got the iPhone 16e here in the studio, and we're going to unbox it. I'm going to share with you guys my initial thoughts and impressions of this. And I got it in the black color, 128 gigs. So let's get right to it. Obviously, everything to expect from an iPhone box. It's very thin, very small, so you're just going to be getting the phone and the cable. And I really do miss the unboxing experience back in the day. So let's pull these tabs right here, iPhone 16e. You know, I've been seeing, damn, I messed that up real bad. I've been seeing some people calling this like the E means expensive. I don't know how true, I don't even think that's true, but people are making, you know, they're talking about it because of its price tag at $599. And, you know, let's be honest, $599 is a little too much. Damn, I couldn't even open it from there either. I think $599 is a little too much for what this phone has to offer. But there we go. We have the phone right here, just like that. Let's put this aside. Let's peel the tag right there. Bam. iPhone 16e, just like that. There we go. So honestly, I really like how the back of the phone looks with just a single camera setup. It has this like matte finish, so it's just like the iPhone 16. It's like a gloss matte finish to it, so I really do like it. But I don't know. We'll see how it is. I've seen, you know, 48 megapixel camera, but it's not the same exact lens and same exact quality. Looking at it from the side, we're getting the volume buttons as well as the action button. And then we have the power button right here. There's no camera control, USB-C on the bottom. And then, you know, we get the notch. So this was rumored, highly rumored, and we get a braided cable, USB-C, and then we get the paperwork in here. This was rumored to be the iPhone SE 4. I don't know why they called it the iPhone 16e. I'll be completely honest with you. I don't know why they would call it the iPhone 16e, because that would kind of indicate that every year you're going to have to upgrade this phone. So let's peel that. You're going to have to upgrade this phone, and once the iPhone 17e comes out, or 17 series, you have to release an iPhone 17e, 18e, 19e, and so on and so on. So I would have loved to have seen this as the iPhone SE 4 for $499 even. That would have been a very good price. Apple doesn't sell, I feel like they kind of left the budget market for other companies, and now they're just like in the high mid-range. So $599. There are some things like MagSafe is a huge feature that's not featured in the iPhone 16e. It doesn't even support Wi-Fi 7 or Wi-Fi 6E. It has a large battery, I guess, though, like a close to 4,000 milliamp hour battery. Initial reviews are showing it to be very good battery life. We're going to be testing that out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this on. Obviously 60 hertz panel, that's to be expected. It does have 8 gigs of RAM to support Apple Intelligence, but you know, we're heading into March of 2025, and I still don't think Apple Intelligence is a reason to buy an iPhone, whether it be the iPhone 16 series or, you know, buy a refurbished iPhone 15 Pro. Let's do this. As you can see, like, just from the look of it, there it is. We got the iPhone 14 design. Wow, really thick bezels. That is, wow. Taking a look at it with the iPhone 16 just at a glance. There it is. There is iPhone 16e. Let's get this set up and I will be right back. All right, so we are back with iPhone 16e. And when you look at it from the front, this definitely does look like an iPhone 14. It really does, and it shares most of the iPhone 14 features. So let's take a look at that. There it is. Not now. We're gonna set it up after, and I'm gonna have follow-up videos. So stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on all my socials if you haven't already, because lots of updates are coming to, you know, talking about the 16e. But yeah, these are some really thick bezels all around, and this notch, I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of it, and you know the reason why is because of using the 16 and 16 Pro so often. Yes, I do have the iPhone 13 mini. Let's do a quick comparison though, like taking a look at this. I like this. I like this design. It's at least the back side of it. It's minimal. It's clean. And let's put it side by side against the iPhone 16 right here, and very similar. However, I feel like the iPhone 16 is a little bit more rounded off around like the edges, whereas the iPhone 16e is more of like squared off, as you can see right here. Not on the corners, but just like the edges of the frame. iPhone 16 is more rounded, whereas 16e is more flat. Taking a look at the bottom right there, as you can see. And then we do have, again, the action button, which is, I don't really use it. We don't have camera control, but everything else about this, you know, I don't know if this really fits into the 16 family. I'll be completely honest. This, I still think, is a true successor to the iPhone SE 3, which I have right here. So here it is. This is the iPhone SE 3, the 2022. So we're finally gone with this old design. Like this design is a 2014 design. We're finally, you know, have left that design, and now we're here with the new iPhone 16e. So here's a comparison. I feel like, you know, it's the iPhone 16 plus iPhone SE 3 equals iPhone 16e. So here are the three, just, you know, comparing them. There we go. Bam, just like that. Not too bad, not too bad. I don't know, I like the back design, like I said, of the iPhone 16e. And then my favorite, one of my favorite iPhones, iPhone 13 mini, right here. Bam, there we go. I don't know, which design do you like? Oh wait, we have one more. We have the iPhone 16 Pro. Like we gotta throw in the 16 Pro in there. We gotta throw a 16 Pro in the game. So we got the entire family right here. What do you think of these devices? Which one would you prefer design-wise? I don't know. I like the feel of this, but I'd still probably go with the 16 Pro. But we're going to be testing the iPhone 16e. You know, we're going to be testing the battery life. We're going to be testing the cameras, how well it performs without MagSafe. Because here's the thing. I guess Apple recently put out a statement talking about the reason why they omitted MagSafe with the iPhone 16e, and I guess their core audience for this phone regularly just plugs it in, like charges it via cable. Yeah, I kind of see it, but I also don't see it. So for me, like, I use MagSafe almost exclusively for my iPhones. Unless like I'm in the car, I don't really use MagSafe charging. I have a MagSafe stand, which I use, but not charging. Anyway, for me, it's going to be a little bit difficult. And I don't have a case for this either. Apple's official cases don't support MagSafe, and I don't have any third-party cases yet. So I'm going to have to get my hands on those to try it out. And even then, like, I don't want to rock a case with this. It's just such a clean phone. I really like it. But again, with all those omissions for $599, is it really worth it? And who is this for? We're going to talk about those in future videos. I could just tell you guys right off the bat, if you are going to be using your iPhone for nearly everything, you just want the best of the best, this is not going to be it. I feel like this is those who have an older iPhone SE 3 and just want to get some of the updates and a little bit more, you know, newer things. Having Apple A18, which I guess is like one less GPU, so it's still a very powerful chipset, but it's not the same exact one found in the iPhone 16. It's not the same exact 48 megapixel found in the iPhone 16. It's just doesn't have some of those extra features. But who's it going to be for? We'll talk about those in future videos. So far, I still like it. I like it. Stay tuned. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, definitely be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel out a lot. Will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.